So this is how to buy Pudgy Penguins crypto in Canada on Robinhood. Once you guys open up Robinhood, go down to the bottom in the middle and select on the search icon. Once you're here at the top where it says search by name or symbol, go ahead and select that and then start typing in Pudgy. I can't even spell Pudgy, there you go, and then select Pudgy Penguins. Once you're on this page, you can go to the bottom and press buy. Then in the top right, if you want to change the market order type to Canadian dollars or Pudgy Penguins, you can do that. I'll just go ahead and select market order in Canadian dollars for this example. Then you can type in the amount of Pudgy Penguins that you want to purchase. So for example, if you wanted to buy $4 worth, you would type in 4 and then just press review. Then on this page, you can review the transaction by seeing how much you're purchasing, the fees, as well as the total cost. And if all looks good to you and you want to proceed, go to the bottom and swipe up to submit the order. So that is how to buy Pudgy Penguins crypto in Canada on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.